Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to make those headlights like brand new again. This one is a 2006 Honda Civic and those are pretty dull, as you can see, really yellowish dull. You cannot see anything through the plastic. You can see how the plastic started cracking. Okay, stay with us to see, guys, how we're going to do those like brand new. We're going to attempt it and see what results we'll get. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you guys, because clear headlights, they're safer, you can see way better at night and your vehicle looks like new. Okay, stay with us. Okay guys, for that procedure we will need one sheet of 1200 sandpaper, water sandpaper. Right here you need only 1 little square, so you can buy just a single one for cents at the parts store, and one 2000 sandpaper as well. We'll be using first 1200. We'll be water sanding the whole surface of the headlight. Okay, let me get a good view there. So you need to start and you need to make sure you sand until you see it's clear. You can see that yellowish coat coming off. Okay, it will be yellowish foam. And some headlights will be even worse than those, some will be better. It depends. So you need to sand the whole headlight really good until clear comes out, and when you dry it, the whole headlight is one color, just kind of like it will be dullish gray. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Okay guys, we're almost done, but just to mention that you need to get a painter's tape, any kind will work, and just tape around the headlight, so that way when you sand, you are not going to sand the paint or the bumper. That way you will not scratch it up, even though you'll be able to buff it with that. If you use just that sandpaper, you won't cause damage to it unless you really sand it a lot. Okay guys, we're done with 1200, now we're getting 2000 sandpaper. You need to wash it, make sure that there is no foam left from the 1200, because sometimes there will be little stones left from the sandpaper. And now with 2000 you'll be polishing it really good, but we'll be using a few compounds, 2 compounds, to make it like new and make it stay like new, guys. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that. So now you need to sand the whole thing again, and it will start getting even more. You can see it's clearer now because it's buffing the 1200 sandpaper scratches out of it. Okay guys, we are ready with the 2000 sandpaper. Now you need to rinse it really good. Okay, and after you sand it, you can just go ahead and remove the tape. You don't need it anymore, because now we'll be buffing it, so it will buff around it, so it will be nice, it will make it shiny. And after you remove all the tape, that way you will not have any water inside the tape, we need to wipe the headlight and dry it. Okay guys, we dried now, and as you can see it looks even now better, but we haven't done almost anything to it. So now wait and see how it's going to turn crystal clear. You can see where the burnt plastic, it's not here anymore, it's gone. Alright guys, and what we're going to use now is, it's made by 3M. It's a perfected series, as you can see, 1 and 2, step 1 and step 2. And the first one is the rubbing compound. You can use it to buff your paint and make it really shiny too. So what you need to do, you need to apply on the whole headlight. Just like that, apply, and make sure you cover it good, because this one will moisturize and will polish it pretty good. So now you need to use a foam pad, and if you have an orbiter or like a polisher, you can go at about 1700 RPM. Okay, now we need to go to the next step. We're going to use the polishing compound number 2. Okay, this one. Okay, now we just apply a thin layer again, just cover the whole headlight, and we're going to buff it again. This will make it really shiny and crystal clear. if there is a place where you cannot reach, you can use the towel to polish it, like right there a little bit. Okay guys, and as you can see, that's the finished results, crystal clear. You can see how you can see through the headlight. There is no dull film at all, and this is pretty much like brand new, and it's going to last you a long time. Okay, and as you can see, that's what it was. Okay, that's what it was, and now that's what you have right there, guys. Just for a few minutes, 10-15 minutes, and you have like new brand new headlights. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.